India Today's Suryagini Roy spoke to some of those known to Dr. Sandeep Ghosh around him where he lived. This was an erstwhile residence at Barasat. They have made some very serious and disturbing allegations against Dr. Sandeep Ghosh with regard to his pregnant wife. Let's listen into this.
In the eye of the storm is a name. The name is Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of R.J. Kar Medical College. The CBI is interrogating him. The Calcutta police has registered FIRs against him. Now, when we came to this particular area in Barasat, which is a town adjacent to Kolkata, we found out the residence of Sandeep Ghosh. This particular house was the place where he stayed for 2 years only. Now this has been sold off to another family. Sandeep Ghosh hasn't stayed here in the past 10 years. Another family stays over here. They do not know him. But the local residents and the neighbors of this particular house and of Sandeep Ghosh, they have come up with whatever they had seen about how Sandeep Ghosh was. They have stated, they have alleged that after Sandeep Ghosh's wife gave birth to a child, she was subjected to brutal torture and beating up by Sandeep Ghosh himself. The lady in this particular question was apparently bleeding and the locals had to come up and rescue her. These are the allegations of the locals, of the neighbors who had seen what Dr. Sandeep Ghosh had done to his wife. With camera person Prabir Biswas, this is Suryagini Roy for India Today, Barasat.
ये ऐसा आदमी था, एक दिन हम सुन रहा था जो उसका आरोप मतलब औरत आया था, वो 14 दिन का प्रेग्नेंट था और प्रेग्नेंट होने का उसका बीवी बच्चा था, उसको लाठी मार के उसका सिलाई फाड़ दिया,
मतलब उसके खुद की बीवी को तो हम लोग नहीं गया, सुन रहा था चिल्ला चिल्ली। यहाँ पर क्लब का जो लोग था उन लोग उसको निकाल के ले गया। हम लोग देखा जो मैक्सी पहन के था वही पहना था। उसके बाद उसका बच्चा का जो कपड़ा था वो भी नहीं दिया। संदीप घोष तो है लेकिन इसका माताजी जो है वो भी खतरनाक है। ये किस्सा जो आप बता रहे हो मुझे, ये कौन से साल का है? मतलब
ये शायद 2006-07 का बात है।
6-7 का बात।
हाँ।
ব্যক্তি আমাদের সাথে তো করতো না, আমরা তো এইদিকে ওরা ওইদিকে মানে প্রতিবেশীর সাথে খুব ঝগড়া করতো।
কিরকম ঝগড়া, কি
নিয়ে ভগবান জানে। এই বাড়িতেই বললে বুঝবেন, খুব মানে বাজে বাজে কথা বলে ঝগড়া করতো। বিয়ে করেছে, কাউকে জানায়ও নাই, কেউ নেমন্তন্ন করে নাই, কিচ্ছু না।
আচ্ছা, ওনার বউয়ের সাথে কি ওনার কোনো ঝামেলা হয়েছে?
হ্যাঁ, ঝামেলা তো হয়েছিল। বিয়ে করলো, তারপর বউ চলে গেল, আর আসলো না, এই সব শুনেছি।
বউয়ের ব্যাপার নিয়ে কোনো ঝামেলা হয়েছে এইটুকু শুনেছি আর কি, দেখেছি বলতে।
ওটা কি শুনেছিলেন বা দেখেছিলেন?
বউকে মারধর করেছে এরকম শুনেছি আর কি।
তখন কি বউ, যেরকম অনেক জায়গায় শোনা গেছিল যে ওনার বউ তখন প্রেগনেন্ট ছিলেন?
হ্যাঁ, ওরকমই শুনেছি, সেই অবস্থাতেই উনি মারধর করেছিলেন।
Is the government shielding the former principal? That's a big question that's emerged. No initial action despite floating the suicide theory, because he was the one parents said was the one who was going ahead with that fact that it is a suicide and not a murder, even when the injuries were so gruesome. Not booked for several days despite revealing victim's identity. Found to be guilty of corruption and vigilance probe, but no action. Was Ghosh shielded? Vigilance group members were shunted out instead when the allegations of corruption came up against him. There have been multiple allegations. This is before the incident even happened. Organ rackets was one allegation that had come up against him. Transfers were overturned by Mamata Banerjee government. So there were times when he was transferred, for example, to Murshidabad. That got reinstated instead. There was a third transfer. This was after the outrage recently. Again got reinstated in 4 hours. Remember, he was briefly given the authority of a different hospital. Why so much of support to this one principal despite so many allegations? Ritik Mondal joins me for the latest on that. Ritik, now, there was one brief comment that we heard from this principal who said, I've not been arrested, I'm here for questioning. He's been silent ever since. But can we say that it's not 1 or 2, but building series of charges against him?
You know, our reportage speaks about the volume of how this man corrupt was. This is not one, there is not only one allegations. There are several, n number of testimonies, evidences, even before the authority, the concerned authority, be it the Swasthya Bhavan or the Vigilant Commission of the Bengal, and with following due process, several top officials, those were associated to this particular RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, like the former superintendent of the hospital, that is Akhtar Ali. He gave the all sort of evidence against Sandeep Ghosh, and everybody knew, yes, not only the students but also everybody knew. Even as a reporter of the city, we reported many times, and it was on public domain, allegations that Sandeep Ghosh having close associations or being patronized by TMC netas or top leaders. So why he was shielded even after there was a protests were mongering against him, demand of his resignation, and he put it down his prepper. He resigned from his post, and he was reinstated to another prime hospital, government run hospital, within 4 hours of his resignation, without any questioning being done. Now hurriedly SIT is being formed. Now all of the things are being taken to the consideration. They are now probing all of this matter, and on the basis of previous complaint against Sandeep Ghosh, what was the things that was pulling the government, the concerned authority, back to initiate any probe, any
a lot of
any
it is being
against
done.
Sandeep
That
Ghosh?
action
These are the
appears to be
questions that
taken
the
now,
government,
but this
that the
is,
authority
remember,
concerned
over a
needs
week,
to
over
answer.
10 days after the incident, and a lot of outrage and public pressure that has come in. Ritik, thank you very much for giving us updates on this.